but it doesn't seem that many students use it properly. Park Jun-hee covered the treasure warehouse of the knowledge of the school.
Do you know Dr. An Chol-soo, who is a favorite mentor among youngsters these days and a rising star in the Korean politics? When he was young, he was a student who was not good at study but knew many things. It was the power of reading what made him become an intellectual student. Reading is the source of the mental power and absolutely necessary for living. Especially, reading in school days can become very valuable asset which will affect one's whole life. But how many students of Haenam JL Middle School are fond of reading? The school library called Keungang-Geulmaru, the center of knowledge and information of our school, is full of hectic atmosphere which some students are reading and asking questions to their teacher and arguing about something every day. This year, Keungang-Geulmaru has moved to the spacious place on the second floor of the main building from the second floor of the annex in the school backyard. The large and open-style library, which consists of 2 parts, has 4 computers for searching books and 2 computers for borrowing. The number of daily users among total 760 students, however, is very limited to 50 or so. The number of daily book lending is 30 to 40. The biggest reason of the low library using rate is that students have to go directly to private academic institutes or home to study for the entrance exam, so they don't have enough time or mental condition to go to the library or borrow books from there.
독서는 모든 교과목과 지식의 기본이 되는 거기 때문에 여러분이 좀 더 소중하게 여겨졌으면 좋겠습니다. 아무래도 고등학교 때보다는 중학교 때 시간이 더 많기 때문에 중학교 때 여러분 이렇게 틈날 때마다 책을 좀 소중히 여기면서 책을 많이 읽었으면 좋겠습니다.
To encourage reading, our school has designated 1 Korean class out of 5 ones as the reading class, and if possible wants to make the morning class before regular classes into another reading class. And the problems which the students should pay heed to are that the students deal with the library books carelessly, or leave the library with putting books out of their places and violating the due date of returning books. Especially, it was shown that the comic books which students read the most had been damaged most severely. Under the current record-oriented academic circumstances, it is very difficult to study creatively and increase knowledge power through reading. But try to make a good use of the school library to keep up with the information age and have the power source of our lives. HJ News, Park Jun-hee.